Good morning. Welcome to the morning of the Welsh Classic Bike Festival. It's just gone 10 a.m. A little bit late this morning. I had to go to Sports Direct and pick up this fantastic little jacket, which you may be able to see here, a little Gillette one. Gillette, I don't fucking know how you say it. Yeah, this little soft shell jacket, because it is cold. So I've just whacked it over the top of my Knox riding shirt. And it's not too bad. It's alright. It's really not too bad. So I've got the drone in my backpack. Got the chin cam and the mic. And a couple of spare batteries. I'm going to try and get some footage as we walk around for the day. See what we can capture. I have no idea what I'm doing. Haven't planned this out at all. But it'll be fine. Very excited to get there. I'm going to get there about 10:30. Weirdly, I don't have tickets. I tried getting tickets online, but everywhere I looked, it was just for like taking part in the track stuff, which I'm not doing. I'm just turning up to be a spectator. So I'm kind of hoping that I can just pay on the door. Also, you can see the sky is kind of grey. So really hoping that the weather holds up. It's not looking great. Weather says it's going to hammer down. I guess we'll see. Hi, puppy. Yep, I guess we'll see how it goes. So, the news is I'm only like 20 minutes away in the hotel, so if it does absolutely chuck it down and it ruins the day, yeah, I'll be riding for 20 minutes in the rain, but like, meh. You know, it's not the end of the world. Woke up to a nice soggy bike this morning. It was a very soggy bike this morning, but it dried off pretty quickly. Look at this road. Wales is Route 66. Look at that. So I don't get the whole Route 66 thing. It's just a really fucking straight road. It must be so boring. Oh, like it's in the desert, so like you look and there's just sand. Sand. Okay, so having now ridden for a little bit in this soft shell suit, I can tell you, I'm starting to feel the cold again. Jesus Christ, love. Cutting right across the fucking junction. She pulled out way more than she needed to. These are fun. Hello. Going to a racetrack. These are some great little roads to get there. Horses! Oh, look at the babies. Baby horses. Sheeps. Isuzu. So I can't remember if I said this yesterday, but I've never been to Trackmon. Oh, there's a random ass petrol station. Huh. How random. Yeah, I've never actually been to Trackmon before. First time going. I've seen some pictures of it, and oh my god, it looks stunning. It looks like a really beautiful location. Right on the coast. I don't know how much time I'm going to spend here today. It's an all-day thing. Apparently there's some DJ in the evening. And I am by myself, so It's the downside of none of your mates being bikers. So yeah, I'm here on my ones. So I don't know if I'm gonna end up randomly tagging along with some people or just wandering around by myself watching some racing and shit. Bless them. Just slow down for me. How cute. Go on, running man. You do some running. Well, I'm not saying the name of that place. Ross. Yeah. Oh, we're not saying that one on YouTube. And Philog, we can say that one. Man, if only the weather would just brighten up a bit. It'd be gorgeous. Because this scenery is stunning. Look at the coast. Got to be close to the track. Annoyingly, today's the main day. Tomorrow there's stuff happening too, but today's the main day. And the weather is better tomorrow than it is today. Typical. Beach sauna. Oh, cool. Wow, look how I live, man. Look at this country. Jesus. This is beautiful. I got back to the hotel last night and I had a bath. And my hips were in agony for hours after. Oh, I was so sore. Oh, look. Trackman. Welsh Classic Motorcycle Festival. I mean, I saw the signs, but like, apparently I'm going to arrive at my destination shortly as well. I can see another sign there, but like, wait. This is the stealthiest fucking... Oh, here comes a person. Here comes a person. Hi!
Alright.
Yeah. Oh, what a result! We got in for free. We got in for free. We got in for free. What a result! Oh, I see a flag warning thing. Oh, what a lovely lady. She let us in for free. Although I want to come back tomorrow, so does that mean I have to pay tomorrow? I mean, it's only a tenner, so like, I'll find cash. I will. I generally did look for a cash point, and I couldn't find one. I'll search around again and see if I can find anything. I guess just find some parking. Must be. Just find parking and park. Would you park here?
Sorry?
Where the hell do you park?
Oh, well, what are you with the club or anything?
No, just turned up to watch.
What you like then?
Anyway.
Anywhere you like?
Oh, happy days.
Anywhere.
Thank you very much. You said park anywhere, but I feel like a bit of a dick. Like, everyone's just kind of camped and shit. I'm just going to whack it here. Right, we made it. Let's get some footage and enjoy the day. Okay, so we're off the bike. We're parked up. Look at this. Italian Motorcycles Owners Club. Look at this Ducati. The Yankees. Amazing. You may or may not be able to hear, I don't know if the mic's picking it up, some bikes in the background. We are going to go see them now. There's the track. Suzuki. badly want to be on there with them. So much fun. Some of the garages. Not a reflection on anyone here, but I've seen some right old geezers on some bikes there in their one piece. It's been quite fun. So cool seeing all these different bikes. People, same thing in common. That's so cool. I'm actually looking for the cafe. There's a cafe, I just don't know where it is. Oh yes.
Paddock, final question from sidecars, your session is over now. Final call for sidecars, please. Thank you.
Oh, stunning. 996. Sound of the exhaust. It sounds fucking incredible. I really hope the camera's picking this up, because oh my god, it sounds so good. rather fun little adventure. A little bit boring when you're by yourself though. But I got some nice footage of the track, some of the racing. I say racing, you know what I mean, some of the bikes going around the track. So it was fun. There's the kind woman who let me in for free. So, I hope you enjoyed the footage anyway. It was, yeah, beautiful track. I think I might need to get myself on there. I've never really been all that bothered about getting on track on the bike until I watched them on track on the bikes. And now I really want to get on track. That's a problem. That is a problem, because I really want to get on track on the bike. Something to work towards, perhaps. We'll see. But anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. I'm now going to go explore some of Anglesey's finest roads. So I will catch you in the next video. So long, ride safe.